Are you ready to take your business to the next level of productivity? With our Sage 50 link for ACT product called S50SalesData, we create business efficiencies and marketing capabilities never seen before. This video will give you an overview of how the S50SalesData product works. By putting key sales data in ACT and integrating ACT with Sage 50, we make your sales, marketing, accounting departments, and ultimately your business more efficient. Here's what the data looks like in ACT after you have the S50SalesData product installed and configured on your system. We're first looking at the S50 data tab that we build in your ACT database. When you look at a customer in ACT, you have all the important Sage 50 information at your fingertips. You have the key past due balance information. The ACT user can quickly identify if this customer owes money, and never again will your sales team place orders for customers that have past due balances. You have key sales metrics in ACT like last invoice date, first invoice date, average sales amount, and lifetime sales amount. You have other key Sage 50 fields that we sync to ACT, and you have the last 5 years of sales totals by month. These sales totals allow the ACT user to quickly rank the importance of this account by reviewing the sales total information. In addition to the S50 data tab we just reviewed, computers with S50SalesData installed will also see an S50 transactions tab and an S50 items tab in ACT. The S50 transactions tab displays all the Sage 50 transactions for that customer. Your ACT users can easily access those customer transactions without having to go into Sage 50. You can sort and filter the list for your specific needs. You can double-click on any transaction to see the line item details. If you have Sage 50 running on your computer, you can even click on the Go To button to quickly pull up that specific transaction in Sage 50. Our customers told us that the S50 Transactions tab was great, but it was still a pain to double-click on every invoice to see what the customer purchased. So we created the S50 Items tab. The S50 Items tab gives you a list of all the products the customer purchased by item number. You can sort this list by any of the columns, and you can even grab the item number column and drag it up to the group by section to get an even better view of the products that the customer purchased and when. And you can click on the plus and minus signs to expand and collapse that information. Everything on the S50 Transactions and S50 Items tabs is available from within the ACT database. You don't even need Sage 50 running on your computer. The end result, the ACT user with S50SalesData installed on their computer has a 360-degree view of the customer information. The best part of our solution is that we store all the S50 sales data in ACT fields and tables. So all the data we've just reviewed is available to ACT users even if they don't have Sage 50 on their computer. This also means that this data will synchronize out to any remote sync users you may have in your system. The Sage 50 data is automatically refreshed in ACT on a nightly basis. Now let's talk about how S50SalesData lets you do target marketing like never before. Because we store key sales data in the ACT database, we can use right-click functionality and look up fields in ACT and perform targeted lookups. For example, using the last invoice date field, we can pull up all customers that haven't ordered from us in 1 year and send them a promotion. Let's go ahead and do that. I right-click on the last invoice date. I choose lookup. I can say older than days, 365, and when I hit OK, it's going to pull up all the customers that haven't ordered from us in a year. And from here I can do an email promotion or print out labels or do whatever promotion I feel is best for my business. Using the previous year sales total field, we can pull up all the customers. This field right here, we can pull up all the customers that haven't purchased, or I'm sorry, have spent more than $500 with us last year. So I can right click on that field, click on the ST previous total field and say greater than 500, and that'll pull up all the customers that spent more than $500 with us last year. And notice, because these are fields, I can include them in my column view, in the list view as well in ACT. So with S50SalesData, you can target market to customers like never before, and we're the only Sage 50 link for ACT that gives you this functionality. Some of the features in S50SalesData require you to have Sage 50 installed and open in order for them to be used. These features are normally for your accounting users. So for example, with the S50 Sales Data product, the days of having to enter in a customer in both ACT and Sage 50 are gone. With our product, you enter in your new customer into ACT first, and then click on the S50 Create Link Customer button here, and go ahead and create the customer. It'll prompt you for the customer name. I'll hit Create, and it went ahead and created that customer in Sage 50. Being able to create customers in Sage 50 right from ACT and not have to do the double entry is a huge time saver. S50 Sales Data also lets you push address changes between ACT and Sage 50. So if you want to update a single address, you can make the change in ACT, hit Save, and click on this ACT to Sage 50 button here, and it will push the address changes to Sage 50, and that's all you need to do. No more double entry for address changes as well. We also have a facility in our product called Contact Data Sync. This will let you push all of your ACT addresses to Sage 50 or vice versa. That feature is under Tools, S50 Sales Data Import, and there's the Contact Data screen there. You simply tell your ACT users to always make changes in either ACT or Sage 50, and then once a day or once a week you can push those address changes to Sage 50 or vice versa. So let's recap. By having S50 Sales Data implemented at your company, you can do the following. See all the important sales totals, sales transaction, and past due balance information from within an ACT. Use key sales data like last invoice date to perform target marketing. Look up customers by the types of products they have purchased. Eliminate the double entry of customers by using the S50 Create Link button. And eliminate having to make address changes in two places by using our address update features. With S50 Sales Data, our Sage 50 Link for ACT product, we're changing the way small businesses do business. Feel free to take advantage of our other online videos explaining the other aspects of the S50 Sales Data product. Thank you and have a wonderful day.